What is this, a race car? Weld the door shut. Call me Bo. All right, quick shop update. It's been I think it's been a couple weeks.
Yep.
The Single Cab T3, T25, I always forget what it is. It's the Volkswagen Single Cab is getting slammed. This thing, I don't think we've talked about it yet. This
Nope.
thing's getting slammed. It had airbags on it, and airbags are okay, but hydraulics are way cooler.
Yep. We're going to do this one a little bit different than the split bus, the air-cooled stuff, because this thing originally came with coilovers. So we're going to build a spring box, and they do this a lot over in England and overseas, but nobody's really doing it over here. But we'll get the same kind of idea that how it works.
Yeah,
on
the
our
spring
stuff.
box is going to be the coolest thing. I
Spring
can't
box,
wait to
yeah.
see that come together.
Yep.
And you've got, let's see if we can get our little camera down here. It's a little dark. But
we had to get these big wheels fit. The wheels are 9 inches wide. So to get them to fit, we had to move the A-arms. We took the mounts where the A-arms were, we moved them in 2 inches and then up 2 inches.
I'm gonna grab a light.
Yeah.
Because I can.
There you go.
All right.
So yeah, we had to cut into the frame, and we reboxed all the frame back in down here for the lower control arm. It actually goes way up in here. And there you can see 2 inches right there where the upper control arm mounts. This thing had a spring perch right in here. Well, the airbag was kind of rigged up in there, but we won't need that. We're going to have to make brackets on here to hold the hydraulic cylinder. When we get those, we'll be able to figure that out, and that's not done yet either. Next step, we'll be moving this. We got to move that in 2 inches and up 2 inches again, and we're going to put a Heims joint in the front so we get a lot of pivot out of that without bending that strut rod.
That's going to be really cool, and
Yes.
I think you're thinking about putting it in there, the spring box.
The pumps, it's going to have 2 pumps, and it'll go inside this compartment, and the spring box will probably be in there as well.
That'll be cool. That'll be cool. Let's go over this way.
Got the chassis back under the panel truck here.
Yeah, I don't even know if we really showed the body or what this was going on,
Yeah.
but this was the hydraulic setup that
Cantilever coilovers.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. The whole chassis we built on this one. So we're close now where we can actually run the radiator hoses and stuff. And we needed the body back on because I'm going to run the hoses in the inner fender wells up in here. So that way there's not really enough room on the chassis, and we don't want to hide anything up in the front here. So we're going to run those hoses. We're going to do the fuel lines, and then we can run the exhaust down this tunnel. I got that torque tube finished off too, so that's all welded together, and the exhaust will run in here. The muffler's going to hang right in here. It's a 2 in and 2 out. So, and it's going to be all stainless right in here. So that's going to look super tight. You can actually see the back of the radiator and the fan, the way that goes into the scoops are in there and everything. So
turn my
it's really cool.
Yeah, this is
Pretty crazy.
one of a kind.
Yep. It will be awesome.
The torque tube tunnel thingy.
Just enough room for the exhaust.
Yep, it'll be cool. Cool. Let's head over there. All right, so this one is I don't remember if this one was on the rack last time or not, but I think it was.
Yeah, I believe.
So,
yeah,
and
we was just getting it caught up with the other one. So.
And if I remember correctly, it only had the bevel box and the getting set up for that, but now
rack, yeah.
there is getting the
The beam is in and the rack mounts are in. the rack and pinion, and that pinion sticks right through here. We still got to cut a little hole through in here for the shaft, but we'll do that last. But for the most part, that's...
so it's coming right along.
Yeah, got the rack all modified, so it's manual rack now.
Yep.
They come power.
Custom rack was made from a power rack.
Yeah.
And,
Not no more.
I know some of you guys have asked about what it's out of, and it's I don't know. It's a couple different cars it could be,
Yeah.
but we do know that it is a power rack that's converted to a manual rack because that's what works and fits in here.
Yeah.
It's usually a small body GM car.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
anyway, let's see what's happening in the back. And again, I don't remember exactly where we were
left off either, but we got the tubs all cut up in there. I don't think we had that done. So, well, not cut, but the tires cut out so we could get the this going up with the tires. We actually put one of the wheels. We put both the wheels off, and we got them both cut. But now it's ready to hit the ground.
If you're strong, you can push that up and show them how it moves. Come on. Come on, oh, look at that. Oh, now you got to go soak your arm in Epsom salt. Yeah, but that's moving along.
Yep. This one won't be long, and this one will be able to go up and down, and we'll get the other one up to that part.
All right, so out here is Lewis's new project. He's another guy around here. You haven't seen him yet, but
you will.
Got this pretty cool Corvair
63, I believe. Yeah, he got a steal on this thing. And the outside of the body is in really good shape. It's got a little bit. There's some issues underneath of it, but every single thing on this car works. I mean, the windshield wipers work, the turn signals work, all the lights work. It's just incredible. The horn works. It's just amazing. And the interior's in pretty awesome shape, you know.
It's nuts. And he got this thing super cheap. It looks to me like it's been painted one time.
Maybe. Got the
maybe not even the whole car, but parts of it possibly.
Air cool guys are
here we go.
Loves that.
So we're not straying too far away from the air cooled. This isn't air cooled.
It's air cooled, but it's 6-cylinder, so it's just like a Porsche, but it's a Chevy. Yeah. So it is super cool. The thing runs like a top. The battery is even good in this car. It just amazes me.
The craziest thing about this is like it's all here.
Yeah.
It's nuts.
Yeah, every piece of chrome is on this car. It's just nuts.
It came in with the hubcaps off, I believe, and then I asked him, hubcaps? Yep. Got the hubcaps. So this is just cool, and I think he's thinking about lowering it.
This is swing axle too in the rear, so we'll get that nice Volkswagen camber look that everybody loves. It's a little bit different swing axle, but it's just crazy the way it's put together. Just neat to see it.
I mean, the patina's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a cool old car.
That belt on there on that engine, though, that's my favorite part. Look at that.
It's pretty neat.
That's actually how it works. It's 6-cylinder. They say it was like just over 100 horsepower right there, so it's almost double the horsepower of a Volkswagen.
Man, maybe we should...
Or a big race.
Nah, I was thinking about using it in a Volkswagen. Nah. Pretty cool.
Yep. Very cool.
I just can't. It's all here. It's so cool.
Love that car.
Yeah. That's a quick little shop tour. Hopefully we'll get a lot more done for next week.
Yep.
Get some room in there.
Get the panel truck back off the lift and get it running, and get the van again on the ground and on the ground.
Get the single cab back in the shop.
Definitely. Yeah. We got to get that Carmen Ghia put back together so we can get it out of the way.
Yeah, and it looks like real soon your bus is going to be in the shop.
Yes.
To do a little bit of a major...
We're going to open it wide open.
Call a major surgery.
Yeah, it's not looking good. It almost fell apart on me. Believe that?
No.
Yeah, so it's okay. I've been wanting to do it forever, so.
Hey, subscribe. It helps keep the shop going.
Yes.
Back in.
See ya.